Hi guys, I'm back with the dip powder mini. So before we get started, I do have on 2 coats of Holo Taco Pilly base on top of my builder gel for easy removal, and the dip powder colors that I'm going to be using are from the Revelist Club. These are July, the colors from July. They have it every month. I purchase the year around Black Friday every year, and so they send you the dip powders every month. It used to be Gift of Revel, now they're calling it the Revelist Club. And I will be using sensitive dip base from Revel Nail as well. I will be using the sensitive base dip liquid and the activator. And so just hang out with me while I do this dip powder application. And so the sensitive liquids are easy to use. I contaminated one bottle that was almost full, which kind of irritated me to my core. But you can see here with this nail, I had the peel off base actually too close in the cuticle area to my skin, and so when I went to remove excess dip powder from that area, it lifted up and kind of tore that nail up, or that application up, just a little bit. And so I'm just going in per my usual method. Yes, my nails are short. I think I'm going to keep them this way because I can get some stuff done without worrying about breaking my nail. But I am dipping in the powder. It was easy to do. I typically don't like dipping because you get powder all on your skin and everything like that. Not to say when I pour over or use a pipette that it doesn't get all over my skin, but it's not getting under my nails. That's the thing. So the first color was, they were really neutral colors. For July, I was thinking of something more vibrant, but so the first color is just a neutral color. I don't know if that's considered white, off-white, beige, or whatever. And so I'm applying that, and then the second color was a glitter. I was getting ready to say glimmer, but it was a glitter. So color number 2 is, I guess that's a white or off-white base with neon purple, I think pink and yellow glitter pieces in there. And so I'm applying that to my middle finger along with my index finger. What I should have done, I should have poured over because the glitters left a little, kind of like little ridges in the nail. That I didn't like, even though I pressed them down. The sensitive dip liquids, they dry. They don't take as long to dry like my other dip liquids that I've used in the past. So you know, it was a good application though, and I thought that color was really pretty, and they did pair well together. Usually you get a solid color and a glitter color, but I haven't even, let's say it starts in January with the Revelist Club, and I haven't done a mani with January, February, March, April, May, June, or June colors. I have them in a drawer that I need to use them, which I got a lot of dip powders that I need to use, but anyway. And so with that being said, guys, I have not introduced myself in a long time. Hi, my name is Tish. I am not a nail technician at all. I am a nail DIYer. I'm actually a nurse, a registered nurse that loves to do my nails at home. And so for those that are still subscribed to my channel, I appreciate you guys for hanging in there with me on this YouTube journey, and I do appreciate you guys for watching my videos and liking and commenting on a consistent basis. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you do, and to help me grow my channel, and also watch my videos. I really truly would appreciate it. Thank you. So once I get all my nails done, I couldn't find my Revel Clear, and I was like, did I throw it away? I could not find my Revel Nail Clear Dip Powder, which is Vivian. I don't know what I did with it. So I go in and I use Beetle's Clear Dip Powder, and it works just fine. And so I go in and apply that to the glitter nails only. Then I'm going to activate. And in this video, I did leave my filing and buffing in here, but I sped it up. So it looks kind of crazy, but I left it in here. With the fountain and buffing, it does not take long at all. And I'm just using a little tasting spoon. Came in a box, got them off Amazon, to pour it over. Typically, I would use a pipette, a salt spoon, coffee spoon, but I have these tasting spoons that's just readily available on my nail desk, and I just pick that up and pour over, because I don't want to get that glitter. Any glitter maybe that's potentially on the nail that didn't adhere to the nail or on my skin. I don't want to get that in my clear. And so I'm just brushing off excess clear from the nail. I'm then going to go in with the Sensitive Activator by Revel Nail to activate and apply a generous amount to all nails. And then I wait about 5 to 10 minutes and I go in with my filing and buffing. As previously mentioned, my filing and buffing is sped up. I have a 180 grit file from Color My World Dips. There is more of the grit on the 100 grit side because I don't use it that often. I use the 180 grit side, and you'll know the difference because the 100 grit side is really, really rough. And so I'm just going around the cuticle area. It looks rough because the video is sped up. I promise you, you don't want to do this hard, and you don't want to be too aggressive with it, because you're going to tear your cuticles up. I see a lot of pictures where people's cuticles are really red, and I've torn them up before earlier when I was doing my nails, like, you know, years ago, and that's because I was filing too hard. You do not have to file like a maniac when you are doing your nails. And so that's some of the peel base coming up, and so I kind of get in between the cuticle area and the dip powder just to kind of round that out and get off of much excess, if I have any, on the skin that I can. And then I go in on the side of the nail and file that, and file the free edge as well. And then I'm going to go in with the small buffing block. I think I got these off of Amazon years ago. I want to say they're 180 grit. They may be a 150 grit. The little pink short square or small square filing buffing blocks. And so this, to me, when you have these buffing blocks, for me, it's a 1 to 2 time use, and toss it in the trash. So I'm just using that, and I got tired because they're kind of hard to grip. I have a problem with gripping, so it was kind of hard to grip. And so at one point I just hold the buffing block still like I'm doing now, and just rub my finger across just to smooth out the nail. And you'll feel me checking for smoothness on the nail, and that way it lets me know that I've done enough buffing of the dip powder application. Remove excess filing dust from the nail with a nail brush, and I cleanse my nails with water. I just spray them with water and clean it with a paper towel. Now my thumb and my ring finger is still tore up. Like, I don't think there's no fixing that. So I decided to go in with some I know I'm getting ready to tear this up, Swarovski crystals that I got off of Scatter Crystals or Rhinestones. I got it off Scatter Crystals website, and I don't think they sell it anymore. I got it years ago. And so I'm going in with Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue, and I'm applying that to the whole nail. Now, with the nails being short and my actual rhinestones, they have different sizes, but they don't have a really small size. So when I initially applied the rhinestones, I didn't like it. I was like, I really don't like it. But the more I looked at it, it started to grow on me. And so I'm just alternating the different colored rhinestones on the nail, and I thought it was a little too big because my nails are short, but I had to work with the sizes that I had in the little trays. I think it's like a neon pink, what they call the electric pink, electric purple, and electric yellow. And so I then decided to go in between the colors. I think I ended up applying AB rhinestones off camera, so I put that in between, and then I do a 60-second cure. When I probably should have did, I wish I had small ones because I would have ran around the whole nail. And typically when you're taking a nail file, you can't see what's on your thumb anyway. And then I'm applying that 6-in-1 nail glue to my ring finger, and I'm going to apply some rhinestones as well, and then I'm going to do a 60-second cure. I then go in with Born Pretty Super Top Coat and apply that to all nails and cure my nails and my lamp. As you can see, I end up just playing around with the rhinestones, taking some off, putting some back on. And those little AB rhinestones, they were hard to pick up. They were small. I got these off Amazon, and they were so small, and I had a hard time flipping them over so I can get them on the nail. And I was like, "Ooh, why you being disrespectful today? I don't have time for this." But eventually when I get them placed, I do cure for 60 seconds. And as I mentioned, I do apply Born Pretty Super Top Coat as well. Because this super top coat is kind of thick, when I get it on the nail, because they're short, I didn't want it to move. So y'all, look what I got on Prime Day deals. I got this little UV LED flash cure light. I think it's a 3-watt, and it's chargeable. And so I'm just quickly doing a flash cure of the nail, and then I'm going to put them all 5 nails in my lamp and cure for 60 seconds. I have something else to show y'all that I got during the Prime Day deals. I got a new LED lamp, and it was so freaking pretty, but I didn't like that thumb when I initially did it, but I digress. But I did like it eventually. It grew on me. And so y'all, look at my blinky nail lamp. I didn't remove the plastic film from the top though. It is cordless and rechargeable, and it's blinged all out. I am here for all the bling. And so it has a 30-second, 60-second, 90-second, and 120-second cure. I think it is actually a 54-watt LED lamp, and you can turn the display, so if somebody wants to look at it, it has an on and off switch on the back. Comes with the cord. It was so pretty, I had to buy it. I was like, I didn't have a choice. I did, but I really didn't, because my brain was telling me buy it, buy it, buy it. So I just wanted to show y'all that. So I got that Flash Cure rechargeable LED light. That's a 3-watt. And I got this blinged out LED lamp, and it's pretty, it's kind of heavy, and so I just set that off to the side. And so of course my nails have cooled off. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some cuticle oil to my nails because they are crusty, rusty, dusty. Got that off of Drake's song. Anyway, I digress. I'm going in with Revel Nail's peach mango cuticle oil. I think I forgot to hit record, or I hit record. I don't know what I was doing. It was kind of late. And so I'm going in with Revel Nail's peach mango oil and applying that to my nails and massaging that in just to show my nails and my skin a little bit of love. And so guys, if you found value, please like this video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And if you're a part of the Revelist Club, and what did you get on Amazon during the Prime Day deals or non-deals? Some people said it wasn't a deal. And subscribe to my channel. It is free in 2023, and I would greatly appreciate it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.